If you are an aspiring software engineer or a software engineer already, you need to know the dark side of the software jobs. In this video we will talk about one and most important dark aspect of software jobs out of dozens. That is a deadly dark aspect which is nothing but health. Welcome to this video on the health issues faced by software engineers and how to avoid them. In this video, we will discuss the physical and mental health challenges that software engineers may experience over time and provide tips and recommendations to help you maintain your well-being. Physical health issues. Many software engineers work long hours sitting in front of a computer screen, which can lead to several health problems. One of the most common is eye strain, which can cause headaches, blurred vision, and dry eyes. To avoid this, take regular breaks from staring at the screen, adjust the brightness and contrast of your monitor, and consider using special glasses or filters that reduce the glare. Another physical health issue faced by software engineers is back pain, which can be caused by sitting for long periods in a chair that does not provide proper support. To prevent this, make sure your chair is ergonomically designed with good lumbar support and that your feet are flat on the floor. Finally, many software engineers may experience hand and wrist pain due to repetitive strain injuries caused by typing and using a mouse. You might be having a disease called carpal tunnel syndrome. To avoid this, use a comfortable keyboard and mouse with good support, take regular breaks, and consider using voice recognition software to reduce the strain on your hands and wrists. Mental health issues. Now let's talk about the mental health issues that software engineers may face. One of the biggest challenges is stress, which can be caused by tight deadlines, demanding clients, or a heavy workload. To avoid this, try to manage your time effectively, prioritize your tasks, and communicate openly with your team and clients about what you can realistically achieve. Another mental health issue that software engineers may face is burnout, which is characterized by exhaustion, cynicism, and a lack of motivation. To prevent burnout, it's important to take breaks, both during the workday and on weekends, and to pursue hobbies and interests outside of work. Finally, software engineers may also experience social isolation, which can be exacerbated by the long hours and remote work that is increasingly common in the industry. To combat this, make an effort to connect with colleagues, both online and in person, and to seek out social activities and events outside of work. In conclusion, being a software engineer can be challenging both physically and mentally, but there are steps you can take to protect your health and well-being. By being mindful of your work habits, taking regular breaks, and seeking support when you need it, you can maintain your health and productivity over the long term.